Oh, sorry, Dane.
Nice straight back. Let your legs hang around.
Can you move, buddy?
You can come over here.
Now give me a big airplane.
And slide over a bit.
You're fine.
Don't lean forward, lean back. Good girl. And now touch your head. Bend forward and try and touch his ears. Don't let your leg fall back. Good girl. Sit up.
Yay.
Very nice. Can you do around the world? Show me an around the world, please.
Oh, Reese.
Good girl, Reese.
Wow.
Can you bend backwards and lay on his back?
That's
Can you snore? Oh my goodness. Get out from there, you lazy. Good girl. Ready to trot? Okay. Trot.
cute. That smile with bobblehead.
Good girl.
I love the braids, Abby.
Thank you. There were a lot of tears this morning, by the way.
Good girl.
They're looking
Hold
good,
on.
though.
Thank you. That's what counts,
Go
right?
with your other hand. Good girl. And long. Good. Now can you put your knees up on the horse? Good. Airplane
Not
arms.
always. Wow.
Good girl. Good girl. Hold on. Now Reese, at the first day, I kept saying airplane arms. He just kept looking at me like saying, "You're crazy. I'm not going to do this." Look at her. Now she's got a big smile. She can do so many things. Sit down again. We're going to canter, right? Get closer to the belt. Good. Now we're going to kick him to canter. Ready? Canter.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Hold on, Reese.
And trot. And walk. We're going to do that one more time, okay? Got it? You're going to kick him.
That looks fast.
1, 2, 3, canter.
Stop smiling. Oh, look at her muscle. She's holding on.
That is crazy.
Girl. Now, we're going to stop our horse, and you're going to stand up, all the way up. And look at your parents over
Oh,
there.
can you take a picture? Wow.
Nice job,
Good job, Reese.
I got
And
it.
now you can jump
Thank
down.
you.
Yep.
It's hard to have both.
What?
You can jump or slide or whatever you want.